I'm legally married to my husband, and my marriage is 4 years now. And I have two beautiful kids. Have two beautiful kids. And for him, but since I married him, it's from one quarrel to the other. But as I'm talking to you now, the marriage is completely crashed. I have told him to divorce me since the marriage is no more working out, but he said I should start the process. I really want to divorce him, but the problem is that I'm not financially stable, and for the past 2 years now, he is not eating what I cook. No sexual intercourse. Hi. No communication. I told him that I want to take the keys to my mom so I can hustle for myself, because he's not taking care of me, but he refused me taking the keys to my mom. He said I should leave the kids for him and go, but I can't leave my kids for him because they are still small. He said he is no more interested in the marriage. Even me too, I'm no more interested. Please, what can I do? Advise a young girl like me. My name is Amaka.
4 years of marriage.
4 years.
4 years. He knew.
He knew.
Like never tell here.
It's very fresh now. How many kids can get for that? Two.
4 years now. 2018 now.
18, yeah. Yeah.
Yes. 218.
218.
What a go-
No.
So which means for the 4 years now, not only 2 years, now you feel say peace day, because she thought say for 2 years now the guy never eat her food, the guy never wipe him. Sorry, the guy never chop turkey.
After the last
90 come end.
Meaning some kind cracks.
Some kind cracks don't day. Some kind cracks don't
after
day.
that 2 years with them.
I see her, na young girl. See her now. See her picture. A young girl. Would they call her now? Hello, my sister.
Hello.
Good morning.
Sir.
Good morning. We don't read almost everything where you talk. You get another thing where you want to tell us on top of this issue where we don't know?
Yes, sir. See, what I want to tell you is that there is a lot, like I told you.
Yes.
There is a lot to get. I didn't send the message for money. I'm not begging for money.
Okay,
to
dear.
get.
Okay.
Like my husband, I married 4 years now. You get.
Yes.
So we didn't date, we didn't court. You
Oh.
get. Yes. The sister saw me where I'm working. I'm doing sales girl. I'm working because I based at it as of that 2018. So the
Okay.
sister saw me in as in plaza.
Yes.
The sister used to come in husband's shop. You
Yes,
get.
yes.
So it was like that I'm a wife material, that the brother is looking for a wife. You get. So he introduced me to the guy. It's not up to 1 month. The guy saw me, said he liked me. The guy is a matured guy. As of then, I'm 20 years and he's 40. Now he's 43. You get. So I was like, since he's a matured man, that he can. And my mom also said he's a matured man. That matured
Yes.
people do take care of
See,
their
then they get
brother and young
sense.
boy. Yes. Yeah.
Not
so
all the time,
we did our traditional marriage 2nd of January and white wedding April. After white wedding, I started living with him that April to get. Okay, now marriage of 3 months, he was accusing me that I'm not pregnant, and I haven't slept with any man. I haven't get sex with any man before I married him. You get. And see, there's something I won't say online because the whole world is listening. You get. And my husband now, he's not
getting
active. He's not that active in stage. How would I put it? But that one is not my problem.
okay. Sexually, it's not. Wait, I need to understand something. Hold on. First of all, we will need to break this thing down.
Exactly.
Now, now say a machine gun not they work. I be a machine gun now. What they do?
The thing is that one, like I told you, I have not had sex with any person.
I know.
Yes.
This question why they ask you now. It's very important. Now just say in not they get erection, in machine gun not they answer attention. I be even when he finally answer attention, when he want cry, now wata he they cry instead of akamo.
So let me answer the question.
Okay.
See, when I started living with him, for the past 3 months, new marriage, we didn't have sex. You get. Ask him what happened. You have that. If you have problem, you could have let me know. If I love you, I will accept you no matter what.
Una not touching herself for 3 months.
Yes, he was just fingering. There's something like he was just fingering me. This thing need a stand. Even when you're naked on his front, you need a stand. Okay. So he took me to one doctor. The doctor said I should help him with talking him. That with time he will pick. You get?
Okay.
Which something I've not done. I still try my best. I talk him. You get? But when you talk him, it seems to will stand after some minutes. Not even really to last up to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You don't collapse. But that is not the area I'm going to get. It didn't continue, but I thank God after something, he was even accusing me of many things, which I will not go
Did they
into.
accuse you
So,
of, say, maybe you did cheat or something?
No, he was like that, that I'm possessed. I have a spiritual husband, this and that when he go out, his things will stand. When he come in, he no go stand. So I tried to call the sister that introduced me to him, you get. So I was like, see, you know that your brother have problem, you should have let me know. And from that earlier time, because he was using it against me, that is why I called the sister that found me, you get. Okay, now, to cut everything short, that one, by God's grace, God answered prayer. On October that 2018, I became pregnant for my first daughter.
Okay.
You get?
Okay.
So then when I delivered 2019, that 2019 also, November, I met him once. You get? I slept with him once. My baby was 5 months.
For the whole of 2019, una torchlight once.
Yeah, as in when I gave birth, after I gave birth.
Okay.
I will ask him, what is the problem? Let's look for solution. He tell me that sometimes after talking, it's not move. Yeah, you say he has malaria.
I beg, if possible, they try say, not they use sucking, just say after using mouth. They easier that way to avoid the issues and make them not catch us. Continue.
Okay. So you say he has malaria, but that one aside.
Yes.
You get?
Oh, he said malaria, they make the thing not work.
That is what he used to tell me. So, and I'm into social media, and there's one marriage thing that I'm into.
Yes.
So, that one apart. Then I conceived the second one. My first daughter was 5 months.
Yes.
So, the first meeting when me and him meet, because his farm is active by God's grace. The first November, first meeting, I became pregnant. I didn't know.
That for 2019.
So, yes. So after some illness now, I went to hospital. After some treatment, they checked me. They said I'm pregnant. So I told him. He said no problem because he's financially suitable to get. So he said no problem. Okay, then now after that once that me and him met, that is where the thing ends. See, today I'm talking to you.
Wow.
Okay. Now, there is this thing I'm suspecting. There is this guy, because the problem became much. He started sleeping in one guy's room. You get the guy that did best man for him. So the guy is saying we are living in 2-bedroom flat. He gave the guy one room. You get? So he started sleeping in the guy's room. So at a point, and when I go outside, I used to hear some certain things. Like when the quarrel became much, so I consulted him. I told him, see, Oga, you know that you're into gay. Why did you marry me? You should have gone and adopt since you have money to do adoption. Because I later find out that it's a child that he wants. He doesn't want marriage. Because that meeting that me and him meet during that 5 November that my first daughter is 5 months.
Yes.
You know, I went to clean up. I didn't know that this man called my mom. As of then, him and my mom, they are still talking on phone. Again, I don't know that he called my mom baby girl to senior baby. I say, 5 months. My mom did not tell me. It's when they now say I'm pregnant. You get? My mom said, this
hello?
Your husband.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, continue.
So that the things should have bring problem between me.
What did she call your? What did he call your mother? Tell your mother.
My mom said I told him that that after 2 of us meet, I went and clean up. I don't want my baby to see your child.
Okay.
Yes, at 5 months so my mom didn't tell me. It's when I'm pregnant that he told me. It was like that this thing should have bring problem. But he talked to him that it's not that one that I wash out that will make the one that wants to form will not form. You get? Okay, that one end there. So what am I trying to say? During my second baby pregnancy, everything became worse.
Okay.
So he finally moved to the guy's room. He even wants the guy, when the guy's store used to be dating. And I'm with pregnancy, taking care of the small
wait,
one.
is he and the guy they bath together?
No, he used to wash the guy's clothes. Even to the extent washing the guy's towel that the guy used to use and bathe.
Hey!
You get? He will not eat what I cook, but he will eat what the guy cook. He will eat what the guy cook. You get? Okay, as I'm talking to you now, I don't know his shop, and the guy know his shop since he married me. You get?
Wow.
So all those things, they are not my problem. My problem now is that since there's I have many of the records he sent to me on WhatsApp. You get?
Okay.
So that since the marriage is no more working again, though I've told him to divorce me, like I said, I've told him to divorce me.
Yes.
Because since I don't just know. He said that we are not meant to be this and that. After all this book and done story. In fact, organic, please, I'm really in a dilemma and I need you people's help. Now is that my baby is the second daughter, the first daughter will be 3 years this June 24.
Yes.
And the second one will be 2 years on August.
Yes.
You get?
Yes.
Okay,
So the children is still small. The children is still small.
Yes,
now you then guys
they are
there with
small.
legally. Now you then go
they are
there with.
small. And my first daughter, he has been taking that girl out from me when I was due for the second one. He took the girl out, but I'm not in labor. I'm in 9 months. You get? He took the girl out to one strange woman like that. The girl stayed for how many? To the extent I went to police station. Our case now is in defense, but that was then. I've stopped going to public defense. You get? Because the thing involved domestic violence. I don't want to mention it because since this year since everybody is apart. So it happened last year that led me to public defense.
Yes.
You get?
Yes.
So I don't want to mention that one because he's no more touching me.
Yes.
Because now I don't open eye for him.
Yes. Yes.
So what am I trying to say now? He will take that girl out. The girl will stay with one woman. He said that the woman is his friend when he's not married. But the woman now is married with 3 girls. You get? The woman married a Yoruba man. So I was like, he will go there and tell the woman that I'm maltreating the girl. I'm not giving the girl food. I say, somebody that I carried for complete 9 good months. That if I want to kill her, when I was pushing her out, I should have used my leg and, kill her.
Yes.
That is it now that I will know. And my baby is very healthy. I'm very fat, very big. You get? So all these things, the thing tire me. One, my husband is not having human feeling. I will not say that he's chasing after women outside based on that problem.
Obviously, he's not.
You get? So, but I'll tell you, I accused him of being a gay. Don't deny me. Don't deny me.
Okay.
You get?
Okay. So right now, basically, what you need now help to see how you could take come out from this marriage, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, go on.
Okay, because the thing leads to, as I'm talking to you now, one of the uncle is away. You get? The brother, the few I know, because I didn't know any, they are 11, I didn't know all of them. The few people that I know, even the mom did not attend my traditional marriage and white wedding. He's not in good time with the mom. And I didn't know all the things. I've entered.
Your family members, because what your family members they do about this issue, they don't call family meeting with their own family meeting to see how to take, maybe get any peaceful a resolution. Maybe when I go take settle matter, we can make everybody go your own way because he don't talk say he not they marry again. You self don't talk say you not they marry again. Obviously, una too not ready to continue again. With what they go on. Una families not feel agree, come together, do discussion. Una never meet, una never do that kind of thing.
Okay, see what happened. Like there was a time my family people they have called him. You get when I was pregnant for the second baby. Let them know what is the problem. They have called him. He went there. He was saying a lot of cook and boo story. You get, and he went at my mom's back because they gave birth to me out of wedlock. You get, and my mom. So one of my uncle called my mom that your in-law is here. Please come wherever you are. You get.
Yes.
So when my mom reached, my husband saw my mom and he was shocked. So then I said, okay, in-law, continue. What do you say our daughter is doing to you? He saw my mom. He was like, no, very that he didn't come for judgment. You get. And they were not asking him, what did you now come for? Okay, my mom now raised the topic. My mom was like, since your wife is not here, let me represent your wife. Since I know everything that is happening, you get. Even when my mom came for Mogo for the first one, he even beat me in front of my mom. He gave me a slap, you get. So what am I trying to say? He now said that he didn't come for any judgment, this and that. So my mom was like, people should ask him why he's not feeding the girl that is pregnant, why he's sleeping with his fellow man, as in why he's sleeping in the same room with his fellow man. He did not have anything to do with the girl. You get? He just stand up and walked out. Then my mom said that one of my uncles told him that when I delivered, that we should come back either January or February, so that the baby will reach up to 4 months or 5 months. You get? We should come back, 2 of us, so that they will settle and know what is the problem.
Yes.
You know that he didn't go see today. He did not answer their call today. All he was now, he not turned against my mom. That's like mother, like daughter. My mom, because he's accusing me that I'm doing prostitution work, this and that. I was like, see, even now that I know I'm struggling, now I cannot even go and do prostitution work because of I need money. What I'm doing cleaner now. I'm working cleaner, and I'm also sweeping somebody's compound 2 times in a week after my work in order for me to meet up my needs. You get? My second baby, when he took my first baby out, he started school for the girl in another woman's house when the girl was 1 year. And now my second baby will be 2 years, August. He has not started school for that one. And they will not allow me to come to work with that one. I took that one to daycare. And I'm paying that one daycare fee every month. I'm paying 12,000 naira. And my first daughter, my husband is paying 20,000 naira as a school fee. You know, each time is 3 months. You get?
Yes.
And I'm paying extra lessons for the girl for her to stay until when I used to come back.
Yes.
You get me?
Yes.
So all these things, I'm the one that is losing. I don't have any income. And what we are eating, though I will not say he's not providing. He's providing for the children. You get? But no. Sometimes I will write what the children need because there's no communication. I will write.
Yes.
I will call my first daughter. I say, go and give your dad. You get? My first daughter will go and give him. He will just get the food. He will not get the item. And from week to week, he doesn't keep a dime for me. He will, on Saturday, he will only keep 1,000 naira. That is for their Sunday food. Okay, that is 500 for one person.
500. What did they carry 1,000 do?
So all this thing, I was like, and he was like,
okay.
He used to sleep. Since the guy packed out, because after the problem became much, so one of the uncles called him that your wife is accusing you of so thing. Let that guy pack out of that house.
Exactly.
He told the guy that he said that the rent house for the boy outside.
Wait, he does say go rent house for the boy outside.
No, my husband was like that. The boy did not have money to rent house
outside.
So
okay.
The uncle now tell my husband to go and rent house for him outside. You get? So
who be the boy to your husband, self?
I don't know. He said that his friend, but he used to tell people that he's his brother. And this guy now is from Enugu. My husband is from Anambra State, and I'm from Anambra State.
Where for Anambra your husband come from? Nokwa. Okay, continue.
So I don't just know their
relationship.
Their relationship, exactly. So I don't know. So what am I trying to say now? Look at he's providing for the children, but not everything. You get? So he will do the one he will do. I myself, I'll do the one I got my hand reach. You get? And now the problem now is, please, I cannot continue like this. I'm too young.
It's okay.
I don't have money. I'm not financially suitable, like I told you. So what will I do?
Okay.
Because I do have feelings, and if I meet friends outside, if I was like, okay, let me just meet friends and make myself happy. Meet friends outside. After some time, they will be demanding for sex. I say I'm not ready for that, and that is not what I want for now. Because his money is still on my head. I'm still under his roof. So
and
I can't.
And una marry legally, abi?
We married legally. We wedded.
Okay. Una do court.
Yes, he went to court and collected this go-ahead certificate in one for wedding.
Okay. You know what's going to happen? We'll go open phone lines. Make people call. Give advice. Then go give advice. And also, any other thing, I go still call you and ask you if any question they needed. And I go like make you text me in number as well if need be. Make a call.
Well, I will text you, but I don't think he will pick your call, or I don't think he will say anything, because this thing now is public. You get? I don't know if I should send you one of his brother's number, the one that is aware of all these things, because he has said that he's not interested again. So I'm scared, because the ones I said it can also cause problems. The ones I meet the people, elderly people.
Okay, send me the brother number. Send me the brother number. At least make I talk somebody from inside. May not be like only one side we hear. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you very
eh?
much. Yeah. All right, all of una don hear. I beg if you did there. Our own the lawyer wey me personally they use on top this matter for our backyard and not they available. So for say make you call am, he don't travel come up for Nigeria. So if you did there and you know say you be lawyer and you go like assist this lady, because right now to be honest with you, na lawyer na she need.
Nah, lawyer.
Na lawyer.
Because the guy don't talk say.
The guy don't talk say no they do again.
She too.
She too don't talk say she no they do again. Good morning, sir. I've been call you. Say make I call you back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
So I beg, your sister-in-law Amaka don't tell us everything where they go on. We say make we call you, make we hear from you first of all before we call your brother.
So, who am I speaking with, please?
My name na Nedu. I dey call you from Wazobia FM.
Okay. I'm not living with them.
Okay.
That is simple truth.
Yes.
So I believe the right source, you will call
Your brother.
my brother and discuss with them.
Okay.
So, and or you call my sister.
Okay.
So it's the person that found Amaka to her. So I believe two of you will discuss
The thing better.
matter. Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Thank you very much, my brother. All right. As I take talk, my sister, you don't hear now. As I take talk, I beg, send me your husband number. Send me
and the sister.
and the sister, because now them I really need to talk to. In fact, I go talk to the man because the truth is not the fear say the husband go fit do anything. The one thing don't know say the matter dey on air, you're not go fit touch you. Not worry yourself. Waiting you want, he go give you. So send us in number so that we go fit call them sharp. Plenty women we don't marry. Their husband they do to the left instead of going to the right way be with woman. Now to the left now then they do. Most of them I know some. He gets some self when he be say they popular. He gets some self when they very popular.
Very loud people.
Celebrities.
Many of them.
They are machine gun. You will come for woman. No. But for man, him. Ebubedike na he be. You get the point now. I have a friend like that. I have a friend like that in my life, but his problem is that each time we meet, we've dated for 2 years now. Each time we sleep together, his machine gun used to stand erect and we make love, but at the end, nothing will come out. The whole thing will be dry, just like that. I have complained to him severally to go to the hospital. He keeps accusing me of not being able to give him a child. But his machine gun is totally dry. You know they produce akamu. And I will see this one talk. My sister, the truth is, we don't call the brother. The brother say,
check whether it's
his
number. No, he said that the guy.
So you do better make
Hello?
the husband.
Yeah? Madam, you go talk. We want to call you back in the next 15 minutes. Is that okay? Because we need to discuss with you concerning Amaka and your brother.
Okay, no problem.
I beg. Because now you connect two of them together. Now they no one marry again. Your husband, your brother not agree leave and make you go with the children.
Okay.
Oh.
But my brother's son that reported you to them.
Yes, because then two don't say that no one marry again. Yet your brother no one leave and make it go. We they try call your brother, but your brother for not they go. Since now you connect two of them, now we say make we call you. What thing you they do about the matter, ma?
Please, this matter don't tire me. Oh, I even said my wife, that my brother's wife. She would delay they try you. I just pity for
The girl.
Yes, young lady. Even so many of our relations have even put mouth for the matter, but still.
But you talk to your brother now, making allow her, make she go now. Talk to your brother.
I think the wife is there. You see them.
No, she's not here. Now phone we call her.
Yes. Now what be the call her? Please, it's a long story. This place is noisy. Ask her about the matter. No, everybody, including my uncle, everybody have even talked to that. That's my but I pray if you can resolve the matter. You get me?
I dey hear you.
Yes, please, the figure can use this to resolve the matter. It will be
Okay. Okay, no problem. No problem. If need be, we will call you back. Yeah. So with this small talk, where she talk now, una already know where the matter dey.
Exactly.
So you obvious say
It
they
dey
get hand
obvious.
clean like
Say
this.
they get hand clean. Okay, good morning. There's something to that marriage that man should be properly investigated and interrogated because that man has a skeleton in his cupboard. Nedu, in fact, that man is up to something. For me, I don't encourage divorce, but the man should be properly investigated, interrogated because he might be under a spell or manipulation. Manipulation from who, Kwana?
See you. So they shake you.
From who? The man planned the thing now. Going by Wetin she talk. Going by Wetin, because if na Wetin, if na only her talk, I no go resolve to say okay, CRCB. But I don't hear from the uncle. The uncle say talk to the husband. Na him go fit. I don't hear from the lady wey connect two of them. We know everything. She don't talk. Say everything wey she talk na true. Say the girl don't go through a lot.
She feel for the.
She dey feel for the girl. Everybody don't talk for the matter. So which means she's right. So which means the man planned the thing. He knows say he just want get pikin.
Yeah.
Finish.
Finish.
Use her as a front too for a while.
Use am, you understand?
No say this now win be actually.
Exactly. Me no know say that we now the same house where you dey with the girl, another person, another man dey there.
Let the other room.
My Robos, as you dey so now, you and Tombo dey in the same room. You go fit dey watch Tombo towel.
Yeah. For waiting.
Wetin dey watch
My
Tombo
towel
towel?
got too big, sir. Pass you. I want to wash my towel. Now.
You understand?
Tomo gonna cook me and go. Then my
See the
You understand?
So the example.
So it dey clear. It dey very very clear. Say some things dey where you understand.
I understand.
Now, not be this case not dey peculiar. He get plenty other ones. He get one why I particularly know. The girl marry. He marry the guy. As he marry the guy, she come find out say this guy na agege bread dey chop oh. He not like to chop turkey. Okay. When she come find out say say the guy family rich well sha. Say she not dey do again. The guy family come dey beg am. Say I beg make he not go. Make she just stay carry belle born one. Once she don born, say make she still not leave the marriage. Anything wey she want dey do, make she go dey do outside. She fit go dey chop the turkey for outside. Make their pikin dey chop their agege bread, but make they still dey form marriage.
Just to protect
The image of the family. The guy agree. As I follow those, the guy get 2 houses for Ikoyi.
Imagine.
And she the mapok outside.
And she dey map. She get boyfriends full everywhere now. She not send anybody.
A roving midfielder when they spray passes to different.
They spray passes to everywhere. Hello, we're on the phone line. Welcome to our backyard. Hello.
Good morning, Nedu.
Good morning. Talk to us. Who they talk?
I get Christopher. I get the robot man.
Hey, they hear you.
Yeah, about this issue, there's no need to call the man. You don't hear for the
sister.
His sister mad. Don't you say na action the man is now.
Simple.
Where they just save the guest. No need to call the man again. You don't hear for the sister mad. The sister the pity for that.
Yeah, no need to call the man again. No need.
No need. Just take the sister. They come see that girl. Not for that house. That's all because something they hide for that place.
Yes. Thank you. Hello, we're on the phone line. Hello.
Hello, morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Oya talk. Who they hear you? What's your name?
My name is Richman. I call from Ekwe.
Rich man, talk to us.
Though we don't see how the
matter the year.
It's just like the first caller talk. No need to call the husband.
No need again.
Because as it be now, even the man side self, they don't even tire.
They don't tire. They don't call everybody.
They don't tire. You see what the lady talk. She don't even talk much, but the thing don't do obvious. Say the matter don't tire everybody. So me now, what I go advise the lady now? Make she do. Make she try find lawyer.
Exactly.
Because according to what you talk now, the thing don't do obvious. Say what the man wants na pikin. And I think don't get the pikin. I'm making con the matric woman, the speed the woman up and down. Which the woman now don't leave her house. But what you don't say this one now, the woman now, the pikin where the man hand, the woman really need them.
Yes.
Because you know the man himself no go fit take care of the pikin.
Yes.
Just like the way she go take care of the pikin. So the thing now, this one now, because at times if you meet some people, they go tell you now pray for your husband, pray for your husband. But nobody they say prayer no good.
Yes. But when time reach for action, take action.
You take the action. Now just because even this matter, the thing really pay me. If they look now, the first time why they come for our backyard.
Yes.
So the thing they say, maybe woman just try look for a lawyer, or woman help her look for a lawyer.
Lawyer, yes.
She just divorce. Now just the best thing with that.
All right. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you. Hello, we're on the phone line.
Hello, Nedu.
Yeah, I hear you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Talk to us.
First time caller.
Talk to us with the hear you.
Welcome.
I pity that lady. Oh,
Advise her.
No pity.
No pity.
Make she find her way leave the house and make she carry her children.
All right, thank you very much. If like say una not hear wetin she talk when she say make she carry her children.
Say the man no agree.
The man no gree say make the children dey with her. Now the first pikin na 3 years old, the other one na 2. She wan run comot for the house now because them two don okay. In case she just dey join us for the show, hear am now. Amaka send us message on top her marriage wey dem marry for 2018. Now, as they married for 2018, they no date, they not do boyfriend and girlfriend. Say, oh baby, can I toast you like expensive they do? They not do them. Now the sister of the man, now you see Amaka where she they do says girl say this girl, yeah, wife material. I don't know how they did it, no wife material. Yeah, wife material. My brother is looking for who to marry. Come and marry him. And the brother they call him say na 40 years.
40 at the time, 40.
40. Now the guy be as at that time. So which means right now the guy dey like 44 right now. Now as at that time where the guy be 40, then just
she was 20.
She was 20. The girl now na 24, small pikin, 24 years old. She never go anywhere. You get the point now. Very young girl. So now wetin make the matter serious? She gats come out to sharp save herself. So then two can do like 1 month traditional. They marry. As they marry now, they don't dey inside the marriage. Even the mapoking, the chopping of turkey, not even 2 days. She said for the first 3 months, the first 3 months of the marriage, Oga no agree give her the coke. You get the point now. The man just carry finger they disturb they dig ground where not supposed to dig ground. Oga, not be this finger that they carry dig this ground. This borehole, another thing that they carry and do. You understand? Another thing that they carry dig the borehole. Not be the drilling machine. Now they carry drill this borehole. Not be finger. And obviously, the girl never drill borehole before for her life. You get the point now?
New timer.
Now new timer. He just they enter the business new. Now for the first 3 months, this man they dribble hole with the finger. Okay. Okay. This one say I'm gonna do I'll advise her to run to not be say you say you advise her to run to Barrister Ogonye Meka. With the one person we go help her for free. We not get money to pay. She not get money. Yeah. So na person go help her for free now we define. So finally, after the drilling of borehole with the finger, it's okay. Make them do the normal way. So, okay, she done. If she come out cloth, the man no go stand attention. So they sometimes go in bed and sing song. Kuni anybody can stand up. Everybody can. Obeduke no go gree stand up. Sometimes she go say use mouth talk to the Obeduke. Obeduke stand up. Kunye. If Obeduke stand up finally, he go only he stay up for like 10-15 minutes. After 10-15 minutes, low self-esteem go come. Yeah, he go back down. But they do it like this until luckily one pikin can't enter. As she born that pikin for 2019, you know reach how many this thing again? November. 6 months. When the pikin be 5 months?
Yes.
Will be November of 2019. Something can't happen. She can't sing to Ibeduke again.
Same experience.
It's the same sacrifice he do to Ibeduke. Anybody can't chop the sacrifice. Can't enter the zanga. Do the work where you go do. But luckily, the thing enter. Now the last time where Ibeduke rise to the occasion.
Till now.
Be that
things fall apart.
Things come fall apart.
2 years.
You understand? Meanwhile, this same man, he go dey sleep with room with man for 2 years now. He and the man they sleep for inside their own house where he give them another man, another boy. Say the boy, then you and the boy go to sleep for the same bed. If they wash the guy clothes, they wash the guy boxers, they wash the guy towel, they wash the guy everything. Oh God, you say no one marry me again. Me say for say no one marry again. Give me children now, make I they go. The man say no. Say he go dey there. According to how, say the man like agege bread. He accuse him, say the man like agege bread.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.